looked at. Okay, so I want you to write this in your science journal. Okay, now for everybody else in the group, what I want you to do is write in your science journal, what did you learn about rocks today? Did you learn about what colors they are? Did you see any different colors? Did you learn anything about what they might be used for? Did they all feel the same? All the rocks that you saw, did they all feel the same? Or were some shiny? Were some dull? That means not shiny. Were some hard and others not so hard? Okay, go ahead and write in your science journals. I want to see everybody writing in their science journals things that they observed, because that's going to be that's actually one our content objective is you're going to collect the information. And where are we collecting the information? In our science journals, right? And you're going to write it in your science journals. Everything that you saw, you're going to be writing it in your science journals. Okay, so now let's review. What is one of the vocabulary words that we saw? It's going to be rocks, magnifying glass, data, and observe. So what's a way that you can start your sentence in your science journal? What's a way that I could start a sentence? Can somebody tell your partner, okay, let's stop and let's think about it for just 30 seconds. Let's think about it. How can I start a sentence in my science journal about my observations? How can I start? Let's think about it. Let's brainstorm for a moment. Let's stop and think. How could I put that in my science journal? How could I start my sentence? Okay, now look at your partner. Tell them, what do you think? How could you start it? I'm going to go around the room and I want to hear your conversations. Good, Samantha, I like that, yeah. Okay, I observed. That's a very good way of saying it, okay. What about you, Sophia? Okay, I used a magnifying glass to do what? To observe. What did we observe, Alex? Rocks. Good. Okay, so good job. So go ahead and make your sentence, and I want to see the information that you observed today. Two things that you learned about the rocks that you saw today. Two things that you think that they might be used for. Good job.